Do you guys remember those old hand crank shack radios that you would just crank up just to listen to the radio or check the weather? Well, this is not that. This is like welcome to the future type stuff. I'm just going to tell you, when I first saw this, I was geeked out about it. And so I knew I had to have one. This is an emergency radio. It's going to tell you when the tide is, where the storms are. So it's perfect to have on your boat. It's also going to tell you the weather if you're up in the camping, if you're in the high mountains. It's going to tell you all the weather and SOS. It has a flashlight, it has an antenna. All right, so check this out. This is the coolest thing ever of how many times you can charge this. So you flip it around, you have batteries right here. You have 3 AA batteries right there. Not only can you charge it with 3 AA batteries, which takes you back to the old Radio Shack vibes, but you also have solar power. And I just turned the flashlight on an accident, and it comes with a flashlight. You can see that, which is actually a fairly bright flashlight. But let's talk about how it has different modes. You can charge it with batteries, solar, a USB-C slot over here. You can plug it in and charge it with the USB-C. But wait, you can also, if you run out of sunlight, you run out of batteries out in the mountains, you don't have access to electricity, look at this, you can crank it. And while I'm cranking it, there it is charging. So I can crank that up and keep cranking it and keep cranking it and keep cranking it enough to where then I can plug it in right here, plug it in on the USB slot, and charge my phone. So it's charging my phone just like that, and then I can make an emergency SOS call. So again, if you're an emergency prepared person or need a radio like this, this is one of the best ones that I've seen out there that has all of those multi different ways to charge it, and it works great too. So let's see, pick a weather band. Grab this antenna. And that's 34.7 in white. Oh man, if that doesn't take me back to when I was a kid. Look, I can hear weather. That's pretty cool. And you got your AM and your FM bands. So you can endless party at the campsite, right? So we're gonna go back to the weather band. I just think that's so cool.
The temperature was 53. The wind was north at 9 miles an hour.
Isn't that cool? That's super cool. Sorry, I just geek out on stuff like this. I geek out because if you're in a bad weather and storm, or you think that you're safe, you can double check with this. But not only that, is you're going to always have power to power up your devices if you need them for emergencies. So if you're looking for something that put in your 72-hour or your go bag, this is something I would definitely consider having in my 72-hour kit for sure.